price all over your skin. Guys, in today's video I will show you how to look years younger, brighten your skin, and get rid of wrinkles, freckles from your skin. A 50 years old one looks 20 using this effective anti-aging home remedy. It works in perfect ways. It will help to clear fine lines and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and get rid of premature aging. So let me show you the ingredients you're gonna be needing. It works effectively when you use it consistently. So let's get into it. First ingredients you're gonna be needing is banana. Banana has these antioxidant properties in it, and it will help you to fade acne scars, brighten your skin, and make you look years younger. Banana helps to fade wrinkles. Is the best anti-aging home remedy I have seen. Now you have gotten those few bananas, then you have to blend it and get the juicy part of it. So banana, have gotten this blended banana. You'll be needing another ingredient that will help to tighten your skin and firm your skin. So let me show you the ingredients. I've been adding the egg. I have already broken the egg. See the egg yolk here, so I have to complete adding the egg white. I have added some of the egg white, so I need to add egg white, complete egg white, and remove the egg yolk. You don't need egg yolk here. What you need is the egg white, because egg white will help to tighten your skin, firm your skin, and reduce the appearance of wrinkles that will prevent premature aging on the skin. So after you have added the egg white and remove the egg yolk, you'll be needing another ingredient, which is this aloe vera. Aloe vera contains those anti-aging properties. It's filled with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. So you're gonna be adding this aloe vera to this. What you need is the aloe vera gel. You don't need any other thing on your skin. So what we need is the gel of the aloe vera. You have to remove the back and get the gel. The gel will help to reduce the dark spots on your skin and firm your skin. So in terms of skincare, aloe vera works effectively, and it also helps to remove the burns on the skin as well. If you have black patches on the skin, you also need this aloe vera because it works in many ways. It helps in many ways for the skin. So now you have added the aloe vera gel. You're gonna be needing another ingredient which will help to firm up your skin and brighten your skin. You have added 3 ingredients already. You have added the banana, you have added the egg whites, and you have added the aloe vera gel. So you will be needing another ingredient. So the next ingredient you'll be needing is raw milk. This is raw milk. I have measured it. It's already 2 spoons of raw milk. So you have to add this raw milk to this mixture. Raw milk helps to smooth the skin. It helps to remove. I have added the raw milk. You'll be adding another ingredient to this mixture that will smooth your skin and brighten your skin. It also helps to fade acne scars. And the ingredients is raw honey, pure organic raw honey. So you have to add 2 spoons of this raw honey to the mixture. Raw honey contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties helps to fade scars and brighten skin. So this is the mixture you're gonna be needing on your skin. You have to mix all those ingredients together. Mix all those ingredients together. Properly mix it together. So you have to apply it on your skin. Apply it all over your skin. It will brighten your skin, fade scars, and clear fine lines. It will reduce the appearance of freckles all over your skin and make you look way younger than your real age. So when you are done, you will still clear the fine lines on your skin. So it works to fade it. You will leave it on your skin for 15 to 20 minutes, then wash it off with clear water. So that's how it works. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.